another chapter in the unfolding story of the parrot that escaped South Africa. If you've not been following the saga, then the original camera on the drone is not functional. If anybody can explain to me how a 14 megapixel camera can cost €150, I'd be happy to know. I've decided, at least temporarily, to replace it with this Caddx module, one of the benefits of which is that it has its own built-in DVR recorder sitting here. Not only does it transmit an FPV video feed, but an onboard HD recorder. The recordings are stored on an SD card, which obviously slots into here. I take the precaution of putting a piece of tape over that once it's inserted, as the parrot lands somewhat abruptly, and it has been known for the little spring inside the SD card slot to eject the card. Very, very good luck on finding it. I have the video feed and the power coming up through a little cable here onto the harness. I had originally powered the camera and DVR from this rather monster 2-watt AKK Dominator VTX. That seemed to be behaving rather strangely. In the end, because the Caddx module can support up to 20 volts and I'm only running a 3-cell LiPo, I've just taken a feed off of that to power both the camera and the VTX. Why have I elected to go for this monster 2-watt VTX? Well, only future videos will tell. And the VTX here, as you can see, is coupled to a standard omnidirectional antenna, and that all seems to be working reasonably well, and I haven't detected any interference. I have tried before mounting a GoPro style camera on top of the Bebop with this 3D printed horseshoe that I made, but that did seem to be causing some problems with the GPS lock, so I've abandoned that plan for the moment. But I think you'll agree that the footage from the camera here, although a little shaky, partly due to my flying and the wind, the footage turns out quite well, I think. For those of you curious to know the location that I was filming in, it's the site of a natural spring that feeds a wash house where the women still today sometimes come and wash their clothes. The name of that location is Almachalejo.